Know that the dead cannot cry for justice. Therefore, it is a duty of the living to do so for them. Therefore, I personally ask justice or fight for justice for late Sumila Ronghangpi, who was burned alive at Nogao. I would say that the culprit must be hanged till death, so that no one on this earth would be able to do the same kind of nonsense behavior in our future.
We demand a high inquiry into the brutal murder of our dearest sister, Lt Sumila Ronghangpi, and punishment for the real culprit. This is our demand. No justice, no rest. We want justice.
We strongly condemn the rape and the murder of our sister Sumila Ronghangpi. We want justice that we immediately prevailed. And we also strongly demand to punish the culprit.
We know it is clearly said that justice is right in action. Therefore, I request all the people to ask for justice or fight for justice for our beloved sister, late Sumila Ronghangpi, so that the whole world come to know and the soul of our sister Sumila Ronghangpi be in peace.
She is still too young to know about what a real happiness is. She is too small. She had already suffered enough already, and still she is suffering for the injustice shown to her. She is dead. She can't help herself asking for justice. We, as a humanity or a brother, let us put ourselves together asking for justice for late Sumila Ronghangpi.
And I personally request everyone to pray for Sumila Ronghangpi to get justice.
Let us now come together and seek for justice.
We must stand together so that no one will suffer like her for the sake of humanity in the days to come.
We can't heal those burn bruises or bring her life back, but we can at least help her get the justice she needed.
We want justice. We want justice for late Sumila Ronghangpi.
We want justice. We want justice.
No justice, no rest. We want justice.